everybody, it's Karen Simon here. I'm the author of the Solving the Organizing Puzzle book. I had the most fun writing the section where I got to talk about information, because I used to be an information type of business.
What was the most challenging part of writing the book?
My co-author is in Los Angeles and I'm in Hawaii, so I believe that one of the issues that we were faced with was that we couldn't really see each other's reaction.
A lot of people are working from home, so how do they stay organized when their work and their personal stuff?
Oh my gosh, that is such a great question. Put up a little tent card, sort of like this, and I would say, do not disturb for, and then I was very specific. I told people, okay, for the next 20 minutes or for the next 30 minutes, that you're not constantly getting up and running around to go retrieve the scissors or, pen or something like that. And we help people to identify what part of their life that's really making them the craziest. Because if they pick that part of their life to start with, it makes the biggest difference, and then it gives people so much confidence. In the book, we have these little exercises. They're called the puzzle pieces. And so what we do is we encourage people to use items like these that allow the paper to stand up and actually talk to you. All these guys, right? To call. Boom. Catalog goes in to box. Oh, I gotta call these people too. You know how much more efficient it is when you're doing a task that's similar or the same? You can get so much more done because your brain just knows that you're focused on phone calls.
After you go through your files, do you thin it out?
Yeah. If you want to use a flat surface like this or a flat container like this for paper as your inbox, that's fine, but you don't want to stack it and just start shoving different things that aren't similar. There's more details. There's more how to do this little setup, more details in the book. So, hope you guys have a great day. Oh my gosh, I want to write so much more. Hi, you're so sweet to be here. You want to just stay at your desk the whole time.
Thank you so much.